Sana all. A common term Filipinos usually hear or say kung doon ay makitaan nga manag-uyab or partners who are visibly in love.
Especially this Valentine's season, when we see couples doing gift-giving, surprises with flowers, and romantic dates.
Apan unsaon man pag-celebrate sa Valentine's Day sa mga single, still searching, mga nasakitan ug healing pa. Kana atong tubagon in this Valentine's episode sa Kabaw Ba Ka?
The American Psychological Association defines love as a complex emotion involving strong feelings of affection and tenderness, pleasure in the presence of the loved one, devotion to their well-being, and sensitivity to their reactions. And love takes many forms. It can be romantic love, family love, friendship, and self-love, to name a few. But let's hear the perspective of a counselor. Does romantic love really complete us?
I believe that it doesn't really complete a person, but it amplifies the happiness of a person, no? It gives a lot of joy, especially since you experience being loved and to love as well. No? That's a different experience. No? To love and to be loved is a different experience. But even if you don't have any romantic relationships, that's quite fine as well, because there are a lot of relationships that you have.
So yes, with or without a partner, love and happiness can still be felt. Apan unsa man ang laing mahimong source sa kalipay, labi na kung single ka.
Number 1, spend quality time with family and your friends. Number 2, develop a relationship with yourself.
Pero unsa man kung you've been through a heartbreaking experience or nag-heal pa gikan sa kasakit.
If you have been through a heartbreaking experience, no, especially if it's a recent experience, it's really normal to feel sad in Valentine's Day, no, especially if you've been used to having or celebrating Valentine's Day with your special someone, no. So then you have to acknowledge, no, nga nasakitan ka karong Valentine's Day, or maybe you have some sad feelings in Valentine's Day.
And for those nga happen in love, di mi bitter ha? Here are some tips to further strengthen your relationship.
You take each other out on dates, no? Na dili lang tungod Valentine's Day ba, but you really go out and spend time with your special someone. Kaya importante man sad na nga ma-nurture your relationship. Quality time good, no? Quality time with your special someone, and just be present, no? And kana bitong presence na active presence na kana bitong kamo lang yun, no? Dili ka ma-distract sa unsay nahitabo sa work or unsay nahitabo sa balay, no? Kana you just get to know one another in a better way, sad po. In fact, ang uban gani kay mag-vacation gid sila, no? Mularga sila, mo adto sila somewhere, and nindot sad na, no? Nindot sad na nga way to enhance the romantic relationship.
In the end, mga kauban, Valentine's Day is not just about having a partner. It's celebrating love in all its forms, whether with your special someone, family and friends, or even with yourself. Sa Kabaw Ba Ka, we remind you, love doesn't complete you. It amplifies what's within you. Karon, kabaw na ka!